can insert your earpiece. Sanotio, minha missa notia. Sanotio, minha missa not. Sanotio, minha missa notia. Sanotio, minha missa. Oh, I am Osisia the money, ma. Sanotio, Inamisa. Etodia be ayesani refriwu. Yebi anodi sawu ashe. Sanotio, Etodia misano. Sanotio, Inamisa, not Sanotio, and Inamisa. So I want us to look at this powerful play, right? Yes, it is a common play that normally occurs in songs, but I'm coming to teach you some powerful passing licks with this play that whenever you meet any of this in any song, you are going to what do you call it? You are going to be able to play it very well. Yes, and you are going to change your hands because they are normal and simple songs that we sing every day, right? So like this video, press on the subscribe button, press on the notification bell, and open all notification. Now let us learn. So it has the normal La So Do songs, right? Right. But I'm going to teach you in a very powerful, different way that you can play these La So Do songs. I've already taught you a lot of these songs about this one, like the La So Do Re Mi Fa. You can use like Umuna Mutilfu Ina Benya Faudi Oneyanadi No Ye Yami Tumfu. All of them is La So Do Re Okune Shamwa Shama Shawa Incha. Right? Yes, they are all among these levels. But how do you have to play it powerfully that yours will sound very powerful and attract everybody's spirit? Yes. This is how you are going to do it. Sanotie, Sanotie. Badi grando chefrekata. Sa la do mi for la. Right. So instead of la so do, you can play this. La. Right. Do on loud. This is the secret, right? So if you did not wait, you are missing it, and you're going to get it powerfully whenever you play this kind of song, because there are a lot of these songs. So if you apply this, they will see you as a pro. My goodness. Like this video, press on the subscribe button, press the notification bell, and open all notification. Please, if you want to learn more of these legs and be very powerful, it is there. And if you want to play very powerful strings, the one that the Spirit is giving us, the one that you want to learn, my goodness, everything, Sam, you will be able to play for every artist that you meet. Please, even if you are at the level that you can't play any song right now, you can't play what you can't play praise, just call me right now. Now let's learn. 054 193 1255. 054 193 1255. And I'm going to attend to you, teach you more passing licks, help you play very well with whatever level that you are, praises, strings, whatever. And also, even if you cannot catch keys or you cannot play, you cannot follow songs, like you have watched all the videos in this world, call me, let me teach you the simple trick, and you do it very well. Right now, let's learn. So instead of sa not here, instead of la so do, you play it this way. This one that I'm teaching, you see that somebody is also teaching in another page, because they came to watch it from this page, and we see it every time. But you see, it's all to the glory of the Lord, right? Just that when we meet ourselves, let's acknowledge. If I take something from you, I can acknowledge you that I took it from this guy's so page. It does not change anything. Let's calm down, okay? Because the pride is too much, right? Sometimes. God bless you. So let's learn. So do, mi, so, and la. That is la, so, do, right? So do, mi, so, then la. So la on la, right? So la for la, then la re fa on re. So on re. You see what I've been talking about? Sa not here, right? Sa not here. Then it comes to re. So let's go. La or do, mi, so. So la. La re fa and re. Re so. Re so. Right. Re. Then add so. Then come to do. So do, mi, so. Then play so do, re, mi, so. So you see, powerfully. So anytime that I have to play loud or do, learn this is going to help you. Another thing is this one. Let's take another song with loud or do. Mewo jata kesebia odi menimo Trana ne musa judamu jata. Right. So anytime we play la, so we play do and play do, mi, so the la, so la, so. Sa not here. Then you're going to re, mi, fa. Inga mi sa la re fa. No, so do, mi, for me. Fa la re fa fa. Sa la re fa. No, so do, mi, for me. Sa la re fa. No, so do, mi. Now, normally you play la, sa not here, like la do, mi, for la. Sa not here, right? But we are not playing that this time, so we play this instead of la. This one too, they will go and come and they will go and be teaching. Like you see them playing it, and they will be doing our maso in your face, like everything is fine. So you see, instead of la, you play la talk, and this thing I have a lot of them, millions of them. Okay, so. With these things, God has blessed us. That's why I urge you to come and learn. And whenever you are playing, I like it. A man sent, and a man that I was mentoring in the US. Like when, my goodness, right now when the man is playing keyboard, you will think that it is me. He plays so well by the grace of God with these things that I've been teaching. So please, you can do it. 054 193 1255. So now let me teach you the ending. There's the ending part. Right, everybody like this video, share this video, press on the subscribe button, share it to bless someone. Right, so the la is do fa la, the play fa on la po, then play mi re, so la la, fa, do, fa, la, 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 do. This an ending. La, re, fa, Minamisa. So do me for no. Apply this everywhere. I am Sisi. Ow. I am Sisi at the manema. Sanatio. I don't know Sana. So let me just use another song. Take glory, Father. Take glory, Son. Take glory, Holy Ghost. Now and evermore. You see? Take glory, Holy Ghost. Now and evermore. So you see? So this ending, you can use it anywhere, every time, everywhere, and it's really going into benefit you. Seriously. Yes. God bless you so much. The next name is Dr. Strings. Jesus Christ is Lord. I love you so much.